Okay, what's going on, guys? If you saw in a few videos back, I did a HRD install with Joey here, and if I still got the clip, I'll play it now.
Air filters. They
even do their own air filter, yeah.
Yeah, which
I didn't know about that until I saw it on Facebook.
Sort one out of them, so you know.
He needs one. But basically, CEUK hooked us up with a set of HRDs, and then I gave Joey my old LEDs, which he did a video on his channel. I'll leave a link down below if you want LEDs. But we mentioned that they started doing their own performance products, like they've brought out their own induction kits and silicone hoses, stuff like that, and then do the secondary hose as well for the 1 litre editions and like all them. So basically, we hinted it that we sort of wanted to get one for Joey's car because he just got his ST, and as you saw, the RTG did not work.
It didn't work, yeah. So I needed one, and I was kind of like, I kind of want one, and then CEUK were really cool about it.
Yeah, we was only joking around about like, can we have one? And
yeah,
then
I was just trying to be like a bit cheeky.
And then they gave us one. So that's what this video is today. I have a knife, I have a box, and this is Joey's, hopefully, induction kit from CEUK.
Yes.
Hopefully they've put this up. So I'm gonna.
I mean, the box said it was from CEUK.
Yeah. So basically, my portion of the video is just going to be opening it, showing you, and then doing a brief time lapse. But the main install video will be over on Joey's channel.
So feel free to go over there and check it out.
Yeah, but as I got the hookup, we go and look at it. All right. Open the back. Feels so powerful.
You have no idea like how tempted I was to actually open this up when it showed up. I got it delivered to work, and I'd spoken to Adam at CEUK for a couple of weeks now, just like talking about what I wanted. And then it was supposed to be just the induction kit, and then he was talking about getting me a silicone hose as well, which is really cool. And yeah, I just hope everything's in there.
You ready?
I went for it. He asked me what colour I wanted for the silicone hose, and I went for something a little bit out there. Yeah.
Different.
This
is a big moment in your life, this.
This is my first induction for my ST.
Well, maybe I don't get a look. I'll get a look first. Oh, nice that. That's a big bubble.
Oh, my silicone hose is in there.
That guy.
Do you know what? There was a box at work that they didn't know who it got delivered to. It must be delivered to me.
That's where the box is then, Joey.
Oh, we haven't got silicone hose. But we have everything else.
This is the main part of the video anyway. So we got the Fat Daddy comb. Oh, it's got that. And then the math bit, the math holder.
And then heat shield.
That is a funky heat shield. Look at the seat in that. Like, CK, that's mad.
I get to show that.
That is good. That is.
There you go.
Got some sweets for me to eat whilst Joey fits it. Sweet. And as always, just got some good little CEUK stickers.
I did say to him to chuck some stickers in there so I can put them on the car.
He always gives you sweets, and I mean, if you don't want to buy performance, if you buy performance parts, you should get free sweets. So
it kind of just goes hand in hand.
That's a given. But yeah, first glance, that's really good to be honest.
Does look pretty cool.
I like the look of the heat shield. That is.
It's different, isn't it? It's like so much different to the auto.
It's actually got like an actual style to it.
It's proper branding. C Performance and then CEUK. CEUK there and then C Performance down there.
Yeah, it doesn't look like a scrap piece of metal they've just put in with the filter. Like, they actually look like they took time and effort into designing it, and they didn't just buy some cheap parts.
All the bolts and a push clip down there.
They even give push clips.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong.
Don't mess about.
Alright. Now we should get this on the car.
Let's go and make some boost noises.
Let's make some boost. So, I don't have my good toolkit because I left it at work. Joey, the car's still locked. But yeah, I left the good toolkit at work because I didn't think to bring mine out. But I've got number 2 toolkit, the shit one with lots of missing stuff. So I'm going to use that one. Perks with 5-door STs out here that are very messy.
Sorry about that.
Piece of shit. Alright, okay. Another bad thing about this toolkit is I don't have any deep sockets. So the nuts that you got to tighten up underneath the heat shield will be rather interesting to see how we work that one out. But yeah, these induction kits are really quick and easy and simple to fit. The only thing that takes a while doing them is the filming part. Pop the hood, bro.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
Ah. Ah. The first part of this video, first part he needed to do on this video was get 20 torques and undo the mass sensor.
I fucked it up.
And the first part he done on this video is lose the 20 torques of the mass sensor by dropping down like the whole of doom in the front bumper.
I fucked up quite a lot.
So now we fucked. By George, I think he's got it.
I actually did it this.
Did you find it?
Yeah, this is terrible though, look at that. That is why it fell.
Yeah, I know, that's why I don't use that toolkit. Because that bit's broken, the magnetic bit. It's not magnetic no more. I've probably told you that before, but yeah.
I feel like that would have been a good thing to mention. Alright, anyway, now you can Right, let's start the car up.
Limp mode, question mark. Oh yes. This is good.
I don't have any check engine lights.
It sounds good as well. But you know what we need to do now? The drive test, the best test.
Yes, we
I like the low little ones where it's like, coo, coo, like a little pigeon. I remember when I got my first ever with my ST, it was beautiful.
Bit of Panic at the Disco.
There is simply nothing better than the first noises the first sounds when you put your first air filter on your ST. The sounds you get are incredible. Compared to like the 1 litre EcoBoosts, they sound so much beefier when you put one on. That is definitely a key first mod to do to your car. I made a video before saying the first mod you should buy was the air filter, and I installed it in an auto specialist one. But honestly, you simply can't go wrong with an air filter. If you don't like the sound of an air filter, then I don't like the sound of you, because you're wrong. You're wrong. Yeah. If you're watching this and you don't like the sound, leave. Be gone, child.
The wrong place.
Alright, anyway, time to do a drive test. I'm actually like double vlogging right now. So if you're watching my video, you just saw Joe's camera. If you're watching Joe's video, you just saw my camera. So yeah, that's commitment right there, boys. So yeah, let's get some cheeky little ones. Maybe some drive-by clips.
Yes.
That could be good.
Let us
boost. Coming from an ST1, whenever you're getting another ST, you just got to use it. That is a necessity and a key part of a higher spec ST than mine, the heated seats. Keeps the tushy warm. It just sounds a lot better. Like, it sounds like the car is actually a sport car.
It makes you feel, well, like when you hear that noise, it makes you know that you have a turbo, whereas before, like, you don't really.
Yeah, you hear it very, very faintly. Like, with the, it's an ST, so you should, like with the RS, you hear it, but with the ST you don't. Whereas you'd think they're both meant to be the sport car.
They are the best of. They are the sportiest version of that car.
Of that model, yeah, exactly. The ST and the RS is obviously no RS ST, but they could have at least put a bit more sound into it. Yeah, RS Fiesta. Fucking myself. That is such a nice noise.
It does sound good.
We'll have to get a couple of drive buckets as well, because then you can fully hear the noise from the outside perspective of the car. It's literally like Darth Vader's under there going, like, I am your father sort of shit. Like,
Something like that.
Darth Vader's a sick guy.
He told me you killed him. No. I
I know he like kills a lot of people, but end of the day, he's a good guy.
He's a good guy. He's got
Anakin.
He's got an induction kit in his mouth.
Exactly. Anakin got specced out. Anakin was like a Z-Tech, and then he got the ST conversion, which was Darth Vader.
And now he's ready for modified nationals.
That's how life works, kids. Okay, oh, that was a shit clap. That's better. Okay guys, that's it for this video. So yeah, as you saw, CEUK absolutely hooked it up for Joey with his induction kit. Put that on. Sounds the nuts, I'm gonna be honest. It's literally, everyone needs to get one of these. Like, I'm not saying only buy this induction kit, but I'm saying every ST needs an induction kit. And if you want to get one 10% off, and you want that one, then that's the one you get. Like, I mean, ICGs are amazing. I went from a paper filter like that to a foam filter with an ICG, but I mean, ICG is about £250, and these CEUK ones are like £135, something like that. Don't quote me on that. Around 135 to 130, and then you can get 10% off using my code B17Y. So I mean, it's up to you. I mean, I don't know if it produces great power on dyno, but when we was driving just around town and streets, like just then, Joey said he did feel a slight improvement, and like, yeah, he'd definitely recommend getting one. And mate, the ITG, to be honest with you, the ITG is perfect for dyno figures and big turbos probably and stuff like that. But I mean, that filter that Joey just bought will still do just as good round town. You're not going to notice a massive difference. Like, oh my god, he's pulling away from me. No. So if you want to get one of them, link down below to go grab one. Remember, use my code B17Y to get 10% off. And then the silicone hoses for it are about £65, I think, if my memory is right. And then, like I said, use my discount code if you want 10% off. And I've also just bought out intercoolers. They're fucking doing everything. I don't know how much they are, but if you use my discount code, guess what? You get 10% off. So, yeah, the end of this video is just massive shout out to them guys. Like, CEUK absolutely been killing it lately, and I can't believe they actually helped Joey out like that, because that is a massive like pat on the back to them guys. So I'll leave links to all their like Facebooks, websites, social medias. Remember, if you didn't know, B17Y, 10% off. So yeah, without like thanking them anymore, just to let you know, in case you haven't already remembered, that at the end of this video, well, I don't know when Joey's video of his install is going to go live, but when it does, I'll put it in the description down below. And also, I'll leave a link to his YouTube. But I'm at Fast Show on this Sunday. Whenever you're watching this, the Sunday, I don't know when it is, like the 29th, maybe? 29th, Fast Show, Santa Pod, you already know. Me, Boosted, and Italy Lockwood all going to be on stand. Boosted's going to be like, he's not going to be in the, his car's going to be there, but him himself is going to be at another part of the venue doing some special things. I don't know what it is, but yeah, me and Lee are going to be going around, and I'm going to be making a special video on his car afterwards, and he's going to be making a special video on mine, so make sure you don't miss that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Smash a like if you enjoyed. Comment down below what you think of the induction kits and what you think of anything. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and all that's left to say is thank you for watching, and peace out.
I hate peanut butter.